Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set a passcode to keep your notes private in the journal app. Just open the app and go to the settings. It's on the right. Scroll down a little bit and here you can find passcode. Enable it and then give numbers. For number 000, enter it again, and from now on you can only open the app if you give this passcode, as you can see, so your notes will be protected. I hope it will be useful.